Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This AirPods Pro review 6 months later. So today I'm going to tell you my thoughts and my experience after using them for 6 months. So here are the AirPods. First of all, when you buy wireless headphones, something you must take into consideration is the battery. So the battery here is quite good. I'm getting multiple hours, like 4 or 5, something like that. And I'm also using the noise cancellation, so you can do the math. It's a pretty good battery. So next up we have the microphone. It's quite good. I'm getting some decent phone calls. Not perfect, but decent, you know. It's like the previous AirPods. There is no difference in the quality of a phone call. Same stuff. But when it comes to listening to music, it's night and day, especially when you're using the noise cancellation. I know that Apple in December or something like that, they made the noise cancellation worse. They said that they improved the audio accuracy or something like that. I don't know if it's true. I haven't noticed anything about the audio accuracy, but they made worse the noise cancellation. I didn't like the idea. I still don't, but we can't do anything for that. It's again way better than the normal AirPods because they don't have noise cancellation, but on the release date the noise cancellation was amazing. Now it's decent. Now when it comes to waterproofing, I'll say it's a major go. I've used them while raining, nothing happened, so you can use them in the gym while working out, while it's raining, so all good there. You can even use them while swimming. I don't suggest that, but I've seen some videos with YouTubers that are swimming and wearing the AirPods Pro. But again, I don't suggest you go swimming with AirPods Pro because I said it. So that's all. Thank you for watching. This was the review. Hope you like the video. See you in the next video.